not be difference between theory subjects and practical. They should be combined.
Before you go through, the people who have said this idea, right? I will actually share a particular website with you where I have compiled projects and ideas based upon what these three people just said. It is very limited. It is my own website where I work on experience-based learning, not textbook-based learning. So you experience and learn while you do. So your hands and legs will be used to do that activity. So your learning will be better. So I will share that and actually build a company based only on that idea. It's called Skin Consulting and Innovating Labs. So we have that. So you people can explore that idea. I will talk to you in the later half of the session, especially in the last when we have an open discussion, right? You can keep it there. We will see what else we can do and how we can take it forward. So you are most welcome to contribute your ideas. It's an open field. You can contribute. You can put ideas, brainstorm, learn from it. Options are available. So I give you that platform. So if somebody wanted a platform, I have a platform ready. You can use it. Now, how you use it is limited. Next.
As all said about interaction, sir. Interaction it is not only providing platform, but it provides a way for a platform. I'll have to overcome with insight, courage, and look forward to go on this platform to expose the ideas and innovations.
Good afternoon, everybody. Time management is the big problem interfacing to all of the students. Limited number of the usage of the mobile phones, and depending upon the usage of the student, how to manage it.
Good. Anybody else? Sir?
About time management. They are lagging in their managing the time, sir. If they want to if they want to overcome or go ahead, they will stand with their times and build their courage in only the required scope which they have to go ahead and work on it capably by making less work on all the studies. This study means only you have to pass. We can pass through all the university exams, but only one scope where you have to go ahead to provide more on it. We can go ahead, sir.
Correct. Very good. Very good point. Okay. Thank you.